Hello, I am François. I'm the language lab assistant. And since you're taking a language class, you are probably required to spend some time in the language lab, which is situated in Kaufman Hall, room 228.
Here you will be able to access the listening comprehension components of your lab manual and do a number of activities in your foreign language. These language activities include watching videos, accessing websites, radio stations, and writing compositions in your foreign language. In order to access the Language Lab's facilities and to log your time in the lab, you must first check in at the front computer. Swipe your OU student ID with the stripes facing you to log into the system. You must have your student ID in order to log in and use the lab facilities. After swiping your ID, click the Login box in the lower right-hand corner of the screen. You have the choice of either watching a video or utilizing computer resources. If you wish to watch a video, simply select a video from the list and tell an attendant which video you would like to view. The attendant will then retrieve the video and check out headphones to you. The attendant will also ask for your student ID, which will be returned upon leaving the lab. Videos may only be viewed in the language lab. To access computer resources, take a seat at one of the computer stations and log in using your 4x4 and password. The computer offers many different options to assist you in your language study. One of these options is using the CD-ROM exercises that accompany your text. Oftentimes, the lab will already have these disks loaded onto the computer for your convenience. All of the other computer activities can be navigated to through the lab's website. If you click on the Internet Explorer icon, our website will pop up automatically. Highlight Languages in the banner at the top of the screen and select your language from the list. From this page, you will be able to access links to other websites related to your language, such as helpful grammar sites, vocabulary sites, radio stations, games, and other available activities. The page also includes filmed interviews with OU international students and teaching assistants in their native language, which provide you cultural perspective on the exchange experience and helpful listening exercises. In the upper left-hand corner of this screen, you will see an audio-video link. Click on this link, then type in the username and password. This username and password must be obtained from the lab attendant at the beginning of each semester. This brings you to the audio files that correspond with your lab manual. Videos and other audio-video resources are also available to watch online in the audio-video files. To write a composition in your language, click on Microsoft Word in the Start menu. If you do not know how to access your language's alphabet, ask an attendant. Spell check in German, French, and Spanish are also available on all computers. To log out, swipe your OU student ID. Your lab time for the week will not count if you do not check out. If you wish to see your lab time for the week or semester, click on View Stats at the top of the screen. Click Log Out to finalize your checkout. Students can access all online language lab facilities from home by going to our website, mllab.ou.edu. However, we cannot track student times with this method, so students who need to earn hours for their course should do activities in the lab.
To facilitate the learning experience of the students, some rules are strictly enforced in the language lab. There will be no drinking, smoking, or eating tolerated. If caught, you will be asked to leave.
We ask that cell phones be turned off before entering. If you receive a call in the lab, please take it into the hallway. We wish to keep noise to a minimum.
If you have any questions utilizing the language lab, please feel free to ask a lab assistant.